Houzz is a USA-based leading home remodeling and designing platform, providing people with everything they need to improve or design their homes from start to finish. Houzz is a marketplace not only for goods but also for services. This e-commerce platform features over 900 categories of home products and has more than 17 million customers, about 20,000 sellers, and 40 million monthly visitors. With their huge potential customers, you can quickly grow up your business on Houzz. To grow up your business on Houzz, first you need to list your products. Because listing products is the first step to start or get sales. But most house sellers don't know how to list their products in an easy and effective way. That's why sellers are wasting a lot of time on product listing and losing sales, which means they are unable to take their businesses to the next level. Basically, there are two ways to list products on Houzz. One is manual listing and another through a feed file. Hello guys, this is Masood from Ecom Clips. In today's video, I will guide you how to list products manually on Houzz. So stay with me till the end of the video. I will assure you that you will be able to list your products perfectly on Houzz. So let's move on to the screen. First, you need to go to houzz.com. Then go to the sign in option. Now, here you need to input your username and password. We have already logged in to our Houzz account. Here you need to input your mouse on your logo and you will see a drop down menu. You need to click the Seller Center option from there. To add your product, you need to go to the Manage Product tab by selecting the product option from the left menu. Now you will be in the Manage Product tab. From this tab, all you need to click the Add Product button. To manually list a product, you need to fill up these attributes. Let me fill up the product title and description part first. For category, you can select that manually or simply write down your product type. Now choose your product style and your brand name. If you have a website, you can provide your website link here or add your product link which is listed on another marketplace. Here is the keyword section. This keyword section is the most important part of your listing. This part is going to help you to increase your search terms. So, you need to put your product related keywords which will help you to improve your traffic and sales. As there is no specialized keyword research tools for Houzz, so you can use Google Trends, Helium 10, Merchant Words, and Jungle Squad. If you don't know how to do keyword research, then you can check out our keyword research videos. Link has been given in the description. Okay, let's move into the screen again. Now, let's back to our keyword section. Here you need to put your product related keywords which will increase your search term. And after inputting the keywords, you need to add a comma to separate the words. Please note that you can only use 300 characters here and the comma will not count as a character. To update the images, click here and select all your product images at once. Then upload them. If your product has instruction manuals, you can upload them here. In this pricing and inventory section, you must input your product SKU, UPC, MPN, quantity and price. Here, you need to input your product width, length and height as well as weight information. You can also add some other information based on your products. If your product has any certification, then you can fill out this section with your product information. Now, you need to input your shipping information as like package dimensions, weight, and lead time. Here is the variation part. On Houzz, it is very easy to create variations. You can create your product variation listings manually by their colors, sizes, designs, or even with the configurations. All you need to put their values. Let me show you guys. You can input your color name here if your product has color variation. If it has a size variation, you can put the sizes here or you can add both. Now, you can see it has been taken the main title from the parent and added the color name and sizes automatically. Here you can add your child's SQ, UPC, lead time and other information based on your product variation. After filling up the attributes, click the submit button and your product will be listed instantly. This is how you can create a listing of a product on Houzz. Very easy, right? If you have any queries about Houzz, then feel free to ask us through the comment section. We will get back to you with a proper solution. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, share to help others, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also press the bell icon to get the further notifications of our upcoming videos. We will get back to you soon with another new video on Houzz. So keep your eyes on our YouTube channel Ecom Clips. Thanks for watching till the end. Goodbye.